Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add and search tags inside of Apple Notes. One of the often overlooked features of the new Notes app inside of iOS is the ability to add and search tags inside of Notes. This feature is similar to the way hashtag works in other apps. To do this, open Notes and create a new one by tapping the new note on the bottom right. Next, as you're typing your new note, when you get to a word that you want to tag, just enter a pound or hashtag symbol and then type the word. Like I said, this is exactly how you would hashtag something in any other app. Now that I have a couple of tags, if I ever want to search for one in the future, I can head back to the main folders page, and at the bottom I can now see a tag section. By tapping on one, it'll then show you all of the notes that contain that tag. You could also use the search bar at the top if you use tags a lot and have a lot more to search through. One thing that might happen, and I've seen a few people online having this issue, is say I want to delete one or all of my tags. I'll first head back to the original note and go ahead and delete the entire thing. Now you would think that the tags would also be deleted, but if I scroll down again on the main page, you can see that they're all still there. And if I tap on one, I see that they're no longer found in any notes on my phone. To clear out your tags section completely, you must delete the note permanently from your recently deleted section also. Head back to the folders list and tap recently deleted at the bottom. You'll then see the note with the tags still inside of here. Go ahead now and delete the note from here by swiping to the left and hitting the trash can. Now when we look at the folder page, all of our tags and even the tags section is gone. And that's how you add, search, and delete tags inside of Apple Notes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.